Hi, I'm going to tell you how easy it is to get started with 1902. You see, when you first contact us either through our website or by sending us an email, I will call you within 24 hours unless you contact us on a weekend or a holiday to find out what it is you want to have done and what your requirements are so that I can tell you if this is within our area of expertise or not. If it is not, I guarantee you that I will tell you right then and there so that you can move on and find another supplier. If it is something that I think we can do, the first thing that happens is that you get to speak with what we call for a technical project manager. Now, a technical project manager is actually a programmer who has very good communication skills, who leads a team of 4 to 8 developers. You speak to him or her about your project so that he or she understands exactly what it is you want to have done. And then, if they can, they come back with a very rough estimate within 24 hours of your meeting what it's going to cost. It's not always we can do it, it depends on the size of the project. After you have spoken to the technical project manager, then we normally do a review of your system if you already have a system, so that we find out how it is put together. And that way, if there's something we don't like, we will tell you before you become a customer. Or we do a project plan where we find out how your system is going to be done, what technologies will be used, why, make a time plan, etc., etc., etc. The project manager you deal with is also the person you will be dealing with after your project. In other words, you're not sent onto a B team for support. The person you deal with during development is also the person who will be giving you post-project support. This is a very, very important detail because he or she is in a much better position to support you if they have already developed the system that you're working on, and you get to know each other and there is a certain rapport between the two of you. That's how we do development. Aside from development, we also do a lot of design, where we can design, of course, websites and apps and web shops. But in addition to that, we also do a lot of brochure design, banner designs, and so on. Many companies who have regular requirements for banners and brochures, like once a month, once a week, every 6 months, whatever the case may be, actually use us to do all the layouting and all the preparation of these magazines, so that they can save time. That way they don't need to have a big staff of designers themselves. They can go out to us with a very big job and we get it done very, very fast because of the number of designers that we have employed. In addition to design and website development, we also do a lot of app development, and we do special software development. Now, special software developments are the kind of systems that companies sometimes need to have done, which are not shelf systems. It's not something you can go out and buy. A system that solves a particular project, and you can always contact us if you have some requirements, and we will take a look at this and see if this is something we can do. This is how you get started with us. So if you're sitting with something, if you have some questions, please contact us already today, and I'll give you a call and we can have a talk about it so that we can find out if we could be your potential partner now and in the future.